Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a unique and sustainable way to decorate your home this Diwali? Look no further. In this video, we will show you how to create a dazzling door bandanwar using old Poshak of Laddu Gopal. First, gather all the Poshak you have exchanged over year, dust them off and assess their conditions. Don't worry if they are worn out or torn, we will give them a new life. Next, carefully cut the poshak into smaller rectangular pieces and make sure to remove any buttons or decorative elements before you start cutting. Now grab a sturdy steering and thread all the fabric pieces into it. Alternate different color and pattern to create a visual stunning bandarwar. Once all the pieces are threaded, tie a knot at both ends of the steering, ensuring that they are secure. They will prevent the fabric from sliding off. Now it's time to add some extra sparkle to your creations. Attach small decorations, ornament, beads and sequins to the fabric piece using a needle and thread. You are at most almost there. Hang your beautiful door bandarwar on your entrance door. Allow it to flow freely. Create a memorizing effect every time someone enters your home. By recycling your old posaks, you not only contribute to a greener environment but also prevent the memories and traditional associated with this secured garment. So guys, this Diwali, let your creativity shine and celebrate the festive light in a sustainable and magnificent way. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please subscribe to our channel for more creative and eco-friendly ideas. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.